If you're an executive, leader, or professional, and you're approaching or in burnout, or even if you've had burnout for quite some time, here is my offer to you. You don't need to stay in burnout. You can work with me on a proven, step by step, guaranteed formula that will bring you out of burnout, not just by addressing the overwork, frustration, exhaustion, overwhelm, low motivation, and all the rest, but by solving these problems at the root cause so that your burnout recovery is sustainable and you'll come back to a higher potency in your job, in your career, than you've previously ever arrived at. So this is about creating the future that you want in your career with ease and thriving and passion and enjoyment. So if you want that, it's a one-on-one coaching program that runs for 3 months, guaranteed to bring you out of burnout. Come and talk to me. Tell me what your specific problems are in your work, and let's make a plan to resolve them.